Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see Beeline on Bumble, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first open up your Bumble app on your phone, and here will be in the people section where you will be able to swipe them right or left according to your preference. So if you want to check out your Beeline, you gotta tap on the chats option, and you can see this is how your chat section gonna appear. And if you simply tap on this, see who has liked you, so you will have this access of your Beeline, which will be the match queues. Once you have got that, if you have got plenty of likes, then you will be able to check out your Beeline, which will be all of the profiles that have liked you. And this is also how you're gonna simply be able to check out the profiles that have liked you, and you can also see if they have even made a comment on you. So once you have plenty of queue to be on your Bumble, you will be able to check out the Beeline as the match queue on top, and that is it. So you don't have to pay anything for that, but if you want to see the profile, then you have to access the premium, or otherwise you won't be able to access it. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.